In this video, we will learn about the MetaTrader-5 to Telegram software. We will install this software by double-clicking, just like any other Windows software. Our software is now installed, and we will click on the Finish button. You need to enter the product key that you have purchased here. After entering the product key, click on the OK button. So our MetaTrader-5 to Telegram software is now open. With this software, you can receive notifications of your MetaTrader-5 trades on any of your Telegram channels. How? We will learn more about this in the software. Here is the Login button, from where we can directly log into our Telegram. For this, we need our Telegram API ID, hash, and our Telegram account's phone number. We will fill in all these details here. If you don't know how to generate an API key, you can click on the How to Use button and watch the video on how to generate the API key. After generating the API key, click on the OK button. Now, an OTP will be sent to your Telegram account. You need to enter that OTP here. You can see that we have received an OTP with the OTP code written on it. We need to copy this code and paste it here, and then click on the OK button. Here, you can see that it is written that we have successfully logged into Telegram. Now, in the menu bar, there is an option to select MetaTrader-5 path. If you have more than one MT5 installed on your computer, the software might get confused about which MT5 to place the trade on. So from here, you can select the specific path. The software will operate only the MT5 that you select. It won't update the other ones. If you have only one MT5 installed on your PC, then you don't need to select anything. Even if you do select or don't select, it doesn't matter. This is only necessary when there are multiple MT5 installed on the computer or server. After selecting the path, click the OK button. The path will be saved. After that, there's the option for Telegram chat. From here, you can select the Telegram channel where you want to receive notifications for your trade details and click the Insert button. As soon as you click the Insert button, you can see that the details of the channel we had selected are now displayed here. If you want to remove a channel, you can do so by clicking the Remove button. You can select multiple channels at once. You will receive notifications in all the selected channels. After selecting the channels, click on the OK button. You can see that the chat setup is complete. Next, there's the option for the message format. From here, you can select the format for your trade notification message. There are many options available, so you can write the message you want to send to your Telegram channel here. For example, order type, which means buy or sell. Whatever the order type is, write buy or sell. After that, the symbol. So I will click on the symbol button. After that, I will click on the Open Price button, and the open price will appear here. Then if I want to show the ticket number, I will write ticket and click on the ticket button, and the order ticket will appear. If I want to show the volume, I will click on Volume button. If I want to show Stop Loss, I will click on Stop Loss button. If I want to show Take Profit, I will click on the Take Profit button. If I want to show the magic number, I will click on the Magic Number button and it will appear. If I want to show the comment, I will click on the Comment button and the comment will appear. So whatever format we want for our message, we need to type it. After typing, click on the OK button. It is now written here that your message was saved successfully. After this, we have an option to set up the Close Message format. This is where you decide what kind of message should be sent whenever a trade gets closed. So, whenever a trade is closed, you can set a keyword here, like close, or any custom keyword you want, and that keyword will be used to trigger the message. Once the keyword is set, you'll see several options you can include in the message. First, you can select the symbol, meaning which pair's trade was closed. Then you can choose the trade type, whether it was a buy or a sell. You can also add the close price. After that, you can include the reason why the trade was closed, like manual, take profit, or stop loss. And if you want, you can go deeper and include more technical details in the message. The trade's volume, a custom comment, magic number, ticket ID, order ID, and position ID, and even the profit or loss amount along with any extra charges. For now, I'm keeping things simple in my setup. Whenever a trade gets closed, I want the message to include just these things: keyword, close. The symbol where the trade was closed, type whether it was buy or sell, the close price, and the reason it was closed, like take profit, stop loss, or manual. Once you're done with these settings, just click OK and your message format will be saved. Now click on the Start Sending button. As soon as we click on the Start Sending button, our software will automatically open MetaTrader-5. So here our MetaTrader-5 has opened, and whenever we place any order in MetaTrader-5, its order notification will be shown on our Telegram channel. For example, we had selected our Forex Signal group. Whenever I open an order here, we can see a message. We have opened a buy order, our order's ticket number, volume, and since we have not set take profit and stop loss with our order, stop loss and take profit are showing 0. We have opened the order manually, so the magic number is showing as 0, and the comment of the order. We can see it here. If we want to set a stop loss with the order, we can do that too. If our stop loss is set with the order, we will see the stop loss. So here you can see that our order has been opened, and this time the signal message that has come with it includes our stop loss and take profit that we have set with the order. They are showing in the message. This time we have not added a comment, so nothing is showing in the comment. If we want to change the message format, we can do that too. For example, I don't want to show the magic number or comment. If I don't want to show the ticket number, I will type the new message format and then click on the OK button. The message in the new format has now been saved. Now, whenever I place a new order, it will go with the message format as typed. If I don't want to show stop loss and volume either, I can remove them here. After removing stop loss, take profit, and volume, and clicking OK, the message will be updated. Now, if we open any new order, we can immediately receive a notification of that order. The notification will appear in all the Telegram channels we have selected. Here, we had selected 2 channels. We can see all the messages in both channels. Here, we are given 3 button options: Close All Buy, Close All Sell, and Close All Orders. By clicking on this button, we can close all trades in our MetaTrader-5. As soon as we clicked on this button, all our trades were closed. After that, when we close any trade, a message for that also comes to our Telegram chat. Like if I closed a trade manually, then the close message appears here. The message comes in the same format that we had set. It shows the close keyword, then which symbols trade was closed, at what price it was closed, and also the reason, like it was closed manually. If the trade gets closed due to take profit or stop loss, then the reason shown will be take profit or stop loss. Now in our trade, we have kept both take profit and stop loss. If we move the stop loss closer to the trade, and it gets hit and the trade closes, the reason will say stop loss. As you saw, our trade got closed after hitting the stop loss, so the close message shows the reason as stop loss. Similarly, if the trade gets closed by hitting take profit, then the reason will show take profit. As you can see, I've set the take profit here, and as soon as the market hits it, the trade will close and the message will say the reason is take profit. As shown here, our trade got closed by take profit, so the message also says the trade was closed by take profit. In the same way, whatever the reason, manual, stop loss, or take profit, it will be shown in the message so that you know why your trade was closed. Now, we see a few more options here, like the magic number list. If you want notifications for orders of a particular magic number on your channel, you can write the list of magic numbers here. For instance, if I want to receive notifications of orders with a specific magic number on my Telegram channel, I can add that magic number. Here, you can also add multiple magic numbers. If you want to remove any magic number, you can select it and remove it by clicking the Remove button. As I want to receive notifications of orders with a particular magic number in my Telegram channel, I can add that magic number here. Write all the magic numbers and click on the OK button. You can see that the list of magic numbers has been saved. Now, when we open any order, if its magic number matches one from our list, only then will it be placed. If we remove all the magic numbers and the list becomes empty, then we will receive notifications for all orders placed. We can see all order notifications on our Telegram channel. After that, we get the option for the symbol list. In the symbol list, you will see all the symbols available in your MetaTrader-5. If you haven't selected any symbol, then messages for trades on all symbols will be sent to your Telegram chat. But if you want messages to be sent only for one or a few specific symbols, then you can select and insert those symbols from here. Once you insert a particular symbol, then only trades on that symbol, whether opened or closed, will trigger messages. For trades on other symbols, no messages will be sent. You can also insert or remove all symbols at once if you want. Once you finish selecting the symbols, just click the OK button. This will save your selected symbols. Now, if we open any order, as we had saved EURUSD, we will see notifications for USD. But if we place orders in other symbols, their messages won't be sent here because we haven't added those symbols to our symbol list. Here, we have also added GBP/USD. So if we place an order in GBP/USD, we will also receive notifications for these orders on our Telegram channel. However, if the name of the symbol is not added to our symbol list, you will not see notifications for orders of that symbol on your Telegram channel. If you want to delete any symbol, you can select it and click on the Remove button. If the symbol list is kept empty, then you will receive notifications for all orders placed in your account on your Telegram channel. As we have emptied the symbol list, we will receive notifications for any order placed in any symbol. You can see that we have received the notification for our order. This way, you can receive notifications for all MetaTrader-5 orders on your Telegram channel. By using the Close All button, you can close all your orders. There is also a time setting option available. From here, you can define the start time, end time, and time zone for your software. You will see the general actions of your software according to the selected time zone. By default, the time zone is Asia-Kolkata. According to the Asia-Kolkata time zone, we are seeing the details of all actions performed by the software. If you want to change the time zone, you can do that. After selecting a new time zone and clicking OK, you can see that we have selected Asia Karachi. Now the details of all actions performed by the software are being shown according to the Asia Karachi time zone. If we change the time zone back to Asia Kolkata, we can see the Asia Kolkata time zone here. All actions performed by the software are visible according to the Asia Kolkata time zone, so we can select our time zone from here. Then if we set the time check to true and define the start time and end time, only then we will receive notifications for orders placed within that time frame on our Telegram channel. Here in the time zone, I define the end time as 1:59. After setting the time check to true and clicking on the OK button, it is now written that time inputs are saved successfully. Now, if we place any new order, we will see here that the current time is not between the start time and end time. No notifications for any orders will be shown here. In this way, if you set the start time to true and define the start and end times, you can receive notifications for orders placed within the selected time zone and during this time interval. Notifications for any orders placed outside the start time and end time will not be received on Telegram. Thus, using the MetaTrader-5 to Telegram software, we can view messages for all trades on our Telegram.